I am Miranda Kelley. I am with Acopia Home Loans. I am the branch sales manager in the Oxford-Anniston location. I have actually been in the mortgage business for going on 23 years this year. And so I started out as just a receptionist at a local mortgage company, went to processor, and then did a processing manager, operations manager, kind of just helped liaison and underwriting and doing different fields before I became a loan officer. And now that I'm a loan officer, it's just every client story is different. So it just inspires me to help different families on that, seeing how it impacts families and their lives in becoming a homeowner.
So Miranda, where does the Wonder Woman come in and what does that play in your part of the world?
Had a real estate agent that started calling me Wonder Woman, and it just kind of stuck because she's just like, you are the Wonder Woman of this industry, and it just stuck. And then everybody from her office started calling me Wonder Woman. All my referrals came in. So these are just items that we've collected, and they're basically gifts from either clients or agents or throughout the years of where they are. I have an award up there for that says Wonder Woman. And on the shelf itself, that was actually painted by my husband and my son, kind of put that together so that we would have a place to store all of our hero items that we have there. And, I just have to put my cape on every day and do the best that I can do with what the good Lord's given me. And so on this quarter, we actually had a client that was a single mom. She had just came out of a divorce. They had lived in that property for a lot of years. They had 2 children. She had to actually move in with family members because he had owned the property prior to the marriage. And so it was, of course, logical for him to stay in the property. So she had to move in with family members, and her biggest thing is that she just didn't have money to buy a home. So she was with a lot of home buyers or potential wannabe home buyers that come in and say that they just don't have the money for the purchasing the home. So she was living with family members and was having a mental breakdown. She was very upset trying to get things going, so she started looking for a home to rent, contacted a local rental company who introduced her to a real estate agent who came over to us. So because we were able to kind of walk her through and let her know that she did not need a down payment. As a matter of fact, we actually ended up closing her loan, and she got money back at closing because she went with the Alabama Housing First Step loan. So she was able to get her monthly payment below what she thought she was going to have to pay for rent, and then also came to the closing and got a check back just because she used the First Step program.
Hi, we're here in Anniston, Oxford with Acopia Home Loans, Miranda Kelley. She is one of our top leading lenders for the third quarter, and we're here to recognize her for her high production in using our down payment assistance loans. And we want to present you with this award, Miranda, for top producing lender for the third quarter. We appreciate your business, and we appreciate you using our down payment assistance products for your home buyers.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. I see here you have another actual award.
I do, and so it's very important right now of being recognized in today for being one of the top lenders, just because we've been doing these since 2005 or 6, and in 2008 I won the Processor of the Year for Alabama Housing. So it's very special to me in the now, just because just knowing 17 years later we are still offering these products and home buyers are still getting the benefits of these loans. All right, and so here we have just a wall of closings that we do. Still got some spaces to fill for this year, but we always just say, may your journey always lead you home. When people are actually purchasing a home or dreaming about a home, it's not just about a home. They're literally dreaming about becoming a homeowner, or where they're going to raise their families, where their children, you know, are going to be raised, and the memories that they're going to make. So this just helps to remember that those dreams are coming a reality for these people, and especially with products like Alabama Housing, when they don't think that they can get down payments. You know, there's so many people on this board that has the down payment assistance program.
Great. That's a great way to show all your home buyers this is your memory.
Yes.
You're making that dream come to
Absolutely.
a reality.
So if you are in the market of purchasing a new home, please feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is 256-453-2479. We have a website that's AcopiaHomeLoans.com, and it's just /Miranda Kelley for an application link. You can put an application in online, and those come straight to me as well.